Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss Shakespeare's phrase, in a pickle. What is meant by in a pickle? Is this phrase related to this century? Let's get into the lesson. Look at this example. Ram is in a pickle. What does it mean? It means Ram has drunk too much alcohol and he is in a difficult situation. So, in a pickle meaning that Ram is very drunk. But he has also got himself into a mess. Ram is in a very difficult situation. These days, when you say I am pickled means you have drunk too much. I am in a pickle means when I have got into difficult situation. If you have drunk too much, you can use the phrase I am pickled. If you have got into difficult situation, you can use the phrase I am in a pickle. Look at this sentence. He is in a sticky situation. What does it mean? Sticky situation. Sticky situation is also meant difficult situation. If you are in a difficult situation, you can say that I am in a pickle or I am in a sticky situation. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.